the jungle?
What did he see? Did he see any animals?
Walking in the jungle, what did I see? A tiny reed frog blinking at me. I said, hey, she said, ribbit. We chatted like that for about a minute. All of a sudden, she spied a cricket and disappeared, man, lickety-splicket. Walking in the jungle, walking in the jungle, walking in the jungle. So many critters to meet. Skipping through the jungle, what did I see? A family of chimpanzees. I said hi, they replied whoop whoop. Gave them berries and they said thank you. Sisters, uncles, aunts and brothers soon began to groom each other. Skipping in the jungle, skipping in the jungle, skipping in the jungle. So many critters to meet. Circling the pond, I began to laugh. I came upon elephants taking a bath. Mama sprayed water all over her calf. They played and trumpeted, splished and splashed. Look, I've got photographs.
Wow!
Nothing like elephants taking a bath. Splashing in the jungle, splashing in the jungle, splashing in the jungle. So many critters to meet. I was creeping by the river in the jungle and found a hungry gator gliding around.
Oh no!
He caught my eye. I turned invisible just in time. Mystified, he swam away, searching for some other prey.
Woo!
Creeping in the jungle, creeping in the jungle, creeping in the jungle. So many critters to meet. Shh, look, lions, snakes, hippopotami.
Goodness sakes!
Shh, look, giraffes, baboons, aardvarks.
And gorillas, too.
Tell me, kids, were you aware of all the species living there?
Dancing in the jungle,
Dancing,
dancing in the jungle.